So in this section we are going to solve about this solving the ODE. So you observe the function carefully. Here it is a purely the variable containing y, e to the power of y is there. So this is x, this is containing x, function of x, cos x मतलब function of x ही है. यहाँ पे भी ये function of y है, एक function of x है, लेकिन dy यहाँ पे with respect to y दिया है, यहाँ पे with respect to x दिया है. तो अभी इस टाइप के डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि पहले x को एक साइड पे कर लेना चाहिए और y को एक साइड पे कर लेना चाहिए. इसके लिए मैं क्या करूंगा, ये दो फंक्शंस है जो कि प्लस किया गया है, तो मैं एक को 0 के दूसरे साइड पे भेज दूंगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू send the one term to the other side. Okay, so now I will send it. So rewriting this equation, e to the power of y plus 1 in one bracket into we have cos x with respect to x is equal to e to the power of y. So this will become minus, this plus term will become minus into sin x dy. Okay, I send to the other side. Now rearranging the terms. So now cos x dx will remain here itself. Okay, and I will bring the sin x term to the other side. So divided by sin x. So sin x will be come in the divided part. Okay, and v is equal to, we have minus e to the power of y. So this e to the power of y plus 1 will go to the other side and it will become divide e to the power of y plus 1 with respect to dx, with respect to dy. Okay, so now you can observe that the function have become, with respect to x we have only x functions, with respect to y we can have only y functions. Okay, that you can observe now. So now integrating it, okay, integrate on both sides. So using integration symbols on both sides, our function will become now integration of cos x divided by sin x with respect to x we have is equal to, we have minus of integration of e to the power of y divided by e to the power of y plus 1 with respect to x, with respect to y here. Okay, so now we need to integrate these two functions, so we should know the integration process. Okay, so we will write once again these equations, whatever we want to integrate. See, we want to integrate integration of cos x divided by sin x with respect to x is equal to minus integration of e to the power of y divided by e to the power of y plus 1 with respect to, we want to integrate with respect to y here. So this function integration of cos x by sin x into dx is equal to log of sin x. Okay, log of sin x. So how this is log of sin x? See, when you differentiate log of sin x, you will get 1 by sin x. Differentiation of log of sin x is 1 by sin x. Okay, differentiation of sin x is again cos x. So differentiation of log of sin x is cos x by sin x. Therefore integration of cos x by sin x is log of sin x is equal to, now here also same. Okay, when you now integrating this function, okay, so we will get log of e to the power of y plus 1, but this is minus symbol because it is minus is present here, plus integration constant we am taking here it as log of c. See now how it came, log of e to the power of y plus 1. Whenever log of log of y, whenever you have function log, integration of log of function is a 1 by that function. So here log of e to the power of y plus 1 differentiation is 1 divided by e to the power of y plus 1. So e to the power of y plus 1 differentiation is e to the power of y. So therefore you got this answer. Okay. So if you don't understand this how I differentiated or integrated, so I will show you at the end of this lecture. Okay. So now take this minus term to the other side. Okay. Taking minus term to the other side, what we can have is that, so I am taking minus term to the other side, log of sin x plus log of e to the power of y plus 1 is equal to, constant we will keep at the other side only, log of c. Now you can observe that, okay, log of a plus log of b formula is log of a plus log of a into b. Okay, so I will write here formula, log of a plus log of b is equal to, we have log of a into b. This is the formula I am using. So log of sin x plus log of e to the power of y plus 1, it will become log of sin x into e to the power of y plus 1 is equal to log of c. So removing log from both sides, the function will remain sin x into e to the power of y plus 1 in one bracket is equal to c. It is a general solution. Okay, as I said, you know how the integration of this one has come this one. So that I will show you now. Okay, and how this integration of this function became this one. So that I will show you now. Okay. See now, whenever you have this function, okay. See, I want to derive the integration of, okay, cos x divided by sin x with respect to x. But before this, I will choose what you know. I got the answer how much? Log of sin x. Is this my answer correct or not? I want to check. So differentiate this function. Okay, differentiate this function d upon dx with respect to log of sin x. Okay, on differentiating this log function, see, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay, differentiation of log of sin x is 1 divided by sin x. Now differentiation of sin x is what? We have cos x is equal to, we will get cos x divided by sin x. If you integrate on both sides, we will get integration of cos x divided by sin x with respect to x is equal to log of sin x. So like that you got this formula. Okay. Similarly, you can get the other formula also in the same manner itself. See, you have integration of y e to the power of y divided by e to the power of y plus 1 with respect to y. Okay. So you got the answer log of e to the power of y plus 1. We will recheck this answer. Differentiate the function with respect to y. Log of our function is log of e to the power of y plus 1. Okay. जब मैं डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा इस log फंक्शन को, तो मुझे मिलेगा 1 डिवाइड बाय कितना, e to the power of y plus 1. So इस फंक्शन को मैं जब डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा तो I will get again e to the power of y. So this became now e to the power of y divided by e to the power of y plus 1. तो इसी तरीके से मैं डिफरेंशिएट इसका इंटीग्रेशन मैंने फाइंड किया था, इसको अब इंटीग्रेशन सिंबल लेता हूं, तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस वन इज e to the power of y divided by e to the power of y plus 1. इसका इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y क्या होता है, log of e to the power of y plus 1 के बराबर होता है. ठीक है, प्लस log c के बराबर होता है. यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट के टाइप में मैं log c यूज कर रहा हूँ. Okay, this much is I want to tell you in this section. So thanks for watching this video.